Welcome again to Melissa's Mixology. Today we're going to be doing a traditional Moscow Mule. So here's a little story. So I happen to be at a restaurant and I've ordered Moscow Mules in the past and they're great and everything. But when I got served this Moscow Mule, I had to ask for the recipe, and the bartender was very generous and shared how he made his Moscow Mule. So that's the recipe I'm going to share for you today. So what was different about it is he actually made a syrup with lemon, lime, and a simple syrup inside of it, and then he mixed that all together. So think about a measuring cup, so one whole measuring cup. Half of that will be a simple syrup. A quarter of it will be lime juice and a quarter of it will be a lemon juice. And then you take those three things and mix them, and then this is your syrup. He used a vodka called Death's Door, and it's out of Wisconsin. It's a really nice vodka. I don't have that, so I've got Tito's. So I'm just going to finish up my Tito's here. And that's really, other than ginger beer. And I wanted to talk about ginger beer too. There's a couple on the market. My go-to is Gosling's. It's more expensive than I think what you'd want to pay for, but it makes your drinks a lot better. So I would just kind of offer up and say, hey, if you're doing a nice cocktail for yourself, treat yourself and get some nice ginger beer. So Gosling's. Okay, so here we go. Into the cocktail shaker, I am doing 2 ounces of vodka. Oops, I forgot to add my ice. Hold on. Okay, rewind. So into the glass, you want to, okay, we're back to where we're supposed to be. 2 ounces of vodka, and then 1 ounce of that simple syrup lemon lime mixture that goes into there. Okay, and then you're just gonna put your cap on and shake and shake and shake till you can't take it anymore. So here we go. So really, my hands are freezing, I can't shake anymore, and I'm ready to pour my drink. So a Moscow Mule is typically served in these copper mugs, and they've got kind of a gold handle. I've seen them on Wayfair. You can get them all different kinds of places, but let's be authentic here. So we want a Moscow Mule mug. Into this, I am adding crushed ice. For me, it's just a personal choice. You can do the cubed ice. I like the crushed ice in kind of one of these drinks with the vodka. So here I go. So into this glass, I'm going to pour our vodka and our simple syrup. So here we go. You can see that mixture. Now this is only going to fill, let me see if I can show you, about 3/4 of the way. So I know you can't see inside the glass, but it's right about here where it comes to. And then what you want to do is there's about 1/3 of a cup goes in here. So I usually just kind of fill it to the top with the ginger beer. And then for garnish, because there's lime in there, I always just take a little lime and stick it on the side of the cup. So there you go, Moscow Mule, and a shout out to the bartender in Wisconsin that gave me this recipe for it. So let's try it. Oh my God, it's perfect. I mean, really, this is like so refreshing and light. And the secret, I'm not kidding you, is this mixture that he said to do. So I'll link the, or not link, I don't know. I will put the recipe down below so you can see it. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that button. I'm always looking for people who want to learn more about cocktails. So if there's one that interests you and you haven't made it yet, let me know and I'll get the ingredients and we'll mix it up here. So enjoy, have a Moscow Mule this week, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.